Please open. Yes, please. You'll open for me. I'm a motorcycle. You're not gonna be a racist like the other lights. Yes, please. By now you should have opened if you weren't racist. Are you gonna open for me? Please? Please? He's staring at that girl's butt like crazy. You saw that? Old dude on a cruiser. Cause I'm a savage. Slowly pull it out. Tip, tip, tip. Back up. The big biscuit. I wonder what that guy thinks when he looks at my bike and me. Okay, as soon as I said that, he spit on the ground. Okay, I think I know what he means or feels towards me. Let's continue the ride. Alright, I went back. A little cramp in my left leg, but we're okay. And I'm loud and I'm proud. And we're headed off to Supercar. Well, we're already in Supercar Alley. We're gonna get deeper into it. And see if we can find more riding buddies to ride with. We're not gonna go crazy. Ferrari don't know me. Ford 88 Ferrari. We're gonna have a little bit of fun, and I think there is a rider behind me, but we're gonna see if we can get more riders. That is nasty. It's a nice old school Corvette, but he keeps it outside. This whole got yellowish tint on it. Hellcat, no. Yes, I think so. One was a Hellcat, one was a Demon. I think so. One guy actually had the emblem, like a vinyl of it on the side of his car so everyone knows. And that's the one that's usually the douchebag, and the one that will most likely make love to Broly. Come on, man. It won't open for motorcycles. Running out of battery and I don't have another battery pack, so we gotta do this quick and head on out. I shouldn't have turned, I should have went straight, but it is what it is. I can tell from the little light that that's a Ferrari right there. And another one right there. See, it's perfect time for us to be out. So right in front of this car, we got a Ferrari. Let's see what goes on with them. And I'm tired, I really am. So this is the last one. The entire time we were running, we saw things, but we couldn't get to it. Now that we're getting to it, we're not, nothing is, what's the word? Nothing is, I'm tired and time's running out. I'm tired. Nothing too crazy, okay? Nothing too crazy. So this one's gonna open next, the green one. Gotta be ready for that. And we're not in full mode because Broly, she's still... baby, and it was making a U-turn. Please be a car, please be a car, please be a car, damn it. Please open, yes, please, you'll open for me, I'm a motorcycle. You're not gonna be a racist like the other lights, yes, please. By now you should have opened if you weren't racist. Are you gonna open for me? Please, please? I turn and they pass! I told you! Luck isn't on our side today, man. No, forget it. We're gonna try, it's not gonna work. F it. I'm okay with it. It is what it is. Battery's dying. I'm hella tired. We missed out on a lot, but it's okay. Sucks. Missed out on bikers, missed out on group rides, all sorts of stuff. Just came by and, you know, left us. But yeah, so let's head on home. Let's call it a day. Happy to be about, happy with a smile. Never, man, never. I'm right there, and I turn, and 3 Ferraris zoom by, and I could have easily went up to them, and it's okay. It happens, right? Nothing like some rush hour traffic to make me feel better. See, this one opened this time. It opened for the car, not for a motorcycle, you racist. I'm done for today, man. I got nothing to say. I'm feeling nothing. That SMR actually looks nice, but that tail light looks awful like that new Huracan. But it's whatever. Ah! It was right there. I just had to wait a little bit longer, and it would have been right there for me. Trust me, if I could cancel that U-turn, I would. It just hurts, man. But you know what? We're not gonna think about it. It's done. It's done. This is Riding Insane. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And until next time, I'm out. Ducati. 1299. Man, it was right there. No more. Done. Video done. You guys leave. I'm out. Bye. Peace. Same Murcielago we saw earlier. But I'll still take a new Huracan over a Murcielago. Or not a new Huracan, but just a Huracan over a Murcielago. Any day. Alright, hopefully we don't die out of battery, because I have no replacements. Just hella tired, man. Sadly, the V4 does not have cruise control like beautiful Nimbus. Broly lacks that, but she makes up for it in other ways, like speed and power and aggressiveness. I'm tired. I'm sore a little bit because, you know, once again, I haven't ridden in a while. So like coming back and riding, you gotta, those muscles haven't been doing a lot, and plus I haven't been working out at the gym because the gyms are closed. And a whole bunch of first world problems, just a ton of them. I feel like I'm gonna be a little sore tomorrow. You know, you gotta get your body reacclimated to lifting, riding. I don't know. I'm tired, man. Tired. I just want to go home, eat, nap. That's in order of what we'll do. Eat, nap, bubble bath, and then a horror movie. This is one of the lies that I can never ever beat. 99% of the time, 9 out of 10 times, I will not beat this. All the videos you guys saw before this for the V4 within the same ride, since I talk a lot, I ride a lot of videos come out of it. One thing I will say is that it'll be fun to watch all those failures, especially that last one with the Ferraris running by me, 3 of them, man. And it's not like we haven't done that before. We haven't done it on Broly before. She hasn't made love to that much, so that's the only thing. I don't mind stopping here. There's memories in each part of these roads. Each intersection holds memories for me, so hey, more than happy to stop. More than happy? Oh, stop it! Why you gotta be so mean sometimes, Bowie? That's my baby voice, by the way. Bowie. No, that sounds stupid. Gallardo and a McLaren. I think it was a 570. 570. Cadillacs usually have old people in them, so we're gonna gun them. Wait for it! Wait for it, man. Right in the Dragon Balls. I can barely hear my voice right now. It's so damn loud. All that wind and stuff, man. Wait for it. I love doing that. Dodge the butterfly, boom, boom. Oh man, I hit a butterfly on the top of my helmet. I felt it. Poor thing. I remember one of these days, like a couple months ago, all these butterflies were migrating, and dude, when I was riding on the highway in a car, it was a freaking massacre. But it was like butterflies everywhere, man. It was just crazy. My bad, man. Yeah, engine braking is too strong, man. I don't like that. I don't like wanting to do that.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own